Gyan, and guys, today is Dussehra, so happy Dussehra, happy Vijay Dashmi to each one of you. This whole occasion is celebrated in India to get the real victory of truth. Yes guys, in this video we're gonna cover 20 German idioms, that too Dussehra special, so why to waste time? Before starting, let me just tell you one more thing. Are gonna help you with lots of new words, lots of vocabulary, lots of sentence structure. And if you're watching me or listening me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes and whatnot. So why to waste time? Let's get in this video and celebrate this Dussehra with all of you. Let's go.
German idioms with Dussehra connection.
Wahrheit und Ehrlichkeit.
The first idiom is Die Wahrheit kommt immer ans Licht. Means the truth always comes to light. That means Dussehra reminds us that truth cannot be hidden forever. Ehrlich wird am längsten means honesty lasts the longest. That means the Dussehra teaches us that truth survives longer than lies or evil. Wer ehrlich ist, hat nicht zu fürchten means whoever is honest has nothing to fear. That means courage comes from truth, like Rama's character. Lügen haben kurze Beine means lies don't go far, means evil and lies collapse quickly, like Ravana. Recht und Wahrheit siegen immer means justice and truth always win. This is the main message of Dussehra.
Gut gegen Böse.
Am Ende siegt das Gute means in the end good wins. That shows Rama defeats Ravan. Das Gute überwindet das Böse means good overcomes evil. This is the symbol of Dussehra.
Das Böse hat kurze Beine means evil doesn't get far. This means evil seems strong but cannot last long. Die Gerechtigkeit triumphiert means the justice triumphs. It means righteousness wins at the end. Wo Licht ist, verschwindet die Dunkelheit means where there is light, darkness disappears. This shows Mut und Stärke. Mut steht am Anfang des Handelns. Glück am Ende means courage stands at the beginning of an action and happiness at the end. This shows Rama's courage brought victory. Wer kämpft, kann verlieren. Wer nicht kämpft, hat schon verloren. Means who fights can lose. Who doesn't fight has already lost. Like Ram fighting for truth. Ohne Kampf kein Sieg means no victory without struggle. Dussehra shows victory after battle. Tapferkeit wird belohnt means bravery is rewarded. Dussehra shows that courage always brings success. Der Mutige lebt nicht ewig, aber der Vorsichtige lebt überhaupt nicht means the brave do not live forever, but the cautious do not live at all. This means better to fight for truth than live in fear. Weisheit und Moral. Gerechtigkeit ist das Fundament des Friedens means justice is the foundation of peace. Dussehra shows Rama's justice created harmony. Wahrheit ist stärker als Gewalt means truth is stronger than violence. This is actually Gandhi's ideas but also fits in Dussehra. Wo Liebe ist, hat das Böse keinen Platz means where there is love, evil has no place. Dussehra shows love and goodness destroy negativity. Der Sieg gehört dem Ausdauernden means victory belongs to the persistence. Dussehra shows that Rama's patience and persistence gave victory. Am Ende erntet man, was man sät, means in the end you reap what you sow. Dussehra shows Ravana's evil brought his downfall.
Guys, how was this video? I hope it was a knowledgeable video. Thank you so much for showering lots of love to all the videos which we have uploaded. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.